So here is an update on my potato plants. They have started to die back a little, actually a lot. This one is completely gone, I think, but it re-sprouted at the stem, so I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna wait until all is gone. All the foliage on this one has already died. It's just the re-sprouting over there. But these one, they looked a lot better just 2 days ago, but we had a real hot wave, and temperature regularly went all the way up in the upper 90s. So the whole week was like this, and maybe that's why they're dying, or it's about time. I sowed them in the first week of April. Now it's first week of July, so these two look a little better. So let's see, maybe another month. Oh yeah, those are strawberry. Well, all look good for now.